welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Style. For my returning subscribers, you are welcome. For my newly subscribers, you are welcome. And for you that are going to subscribe because of this video, you are welcome. So I want to show you guys how I transform how I outline a fullest knotless net cap. So I want to show you the way I outline this particular fullest cap. So now I've showed earlier the type of cap I'm using. I'm using a fullest cap, and then I divide this fullest cap into two horizontally, and then I pin it down with a safety pin. So before I start outlining it, I divide, and the reason for me folding it into two equal parts is that whenever I'm drawing on the first part, any demarcation I made on the first part is actually going to show at the other part. So that is the reason of folding it into two like this. And it's very, very easy folding it into two like this before you start to demarcate it. Like, you start to give the cap the length, the shape, the shape of the knotless braid you want. So now I've for the length part I'm using 1 inch, and for the breadth part too I'm going to use 1 inch. I think you guys get what I'm saying. For the length I'm using 1 inch, and for the breadth also I'm using 1 inch for it, like 1 centimeter. You guys can show, if you don't have a tape measure, like a tape measure, tailor's measuring tape, you can go for a ruler. At least is the centimeter is the same both on the ruler and on the tape measure. So guys, this one I've done it just from the this is the center part. So this one I've measured 1 centimeter or 1 inch for the length. So I'm just going for the breadth, and I did this right from the start, like from the front side to the back side. So now for the length I do the first one I did is the breadth. Jesus Christ. So the first one I did is the breadth. So I'm going for the length also. It's just 1 centimeter, 1 inch. So that's it. So keep watching guys and enjoy. So guys, this is when I finished the first side and this is second side. So this is the essence of folding it into 2 equal parts. So now you can see that everything that I drew at the first part is actually showing on this second part. So I'll just go ahead and just trace it up with the brow pencil. So this is when I've traced it up with the brow pencil. You can see that everything is on a equal part, both the first one and the second one, they are equal. So that's why I fold this thing before I start doing anything. So this is the center part. You know, the center part I cannot draw anything on it because that's the place I folded. So now I'll just go ahead and trace those lines like the place I folded with the brow. Yes, I use a brow pencil, like this makeup pencil. That's the type of pencil I used. So that's when I just went ahead and draw this center parts. So you can use any type of, just make sure you're not using any permanent pencil, any permanent thing. So this one, when I was ventilating, everything is just clean. So the best thing is just go for a brow pencil, any color. You know, even if you want to install this type of wig, they are still going to put some foundation powder inside, like so that it will look exactly like a scarf. So that's why I really went for a brow pencil, because it's even the same color. So this is when I was done with everything, guys. So please don't forget to please like, share, please share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.